So right now it's following the track fully automatically. It'll adjust its speed and slow down as it approaches the dock, and then come to a smooth stop right at the dock.
Developing more intelligent and autonomous ships is vital to Wärtsilä's smart marine vision. We're now well underway with the next technology leap, which is autodocking. In January and April of this year, we successfully tested Wärtsilä's prototype autodocking system on the Norwegian coastal ferry Folgefonn. Autodocking simply means that the ship's position and heading control system is provided with all of the parameters it needs for its approach to the dock. Wind speed, pitch, roll, heading, position, ship's model, and so on, to perform the maneuver automatically in the most efficient and safest way possible. The successful tests in Norway provided us with strong test data and experience, which is highly valuable in our efforts to make automated docking a vital part of new offerings for the ferry and other markets. Automated docking provides several advantages both for today and tomorrow's vessels, such as improved safety, reduced operations and maintenance costs, as well as improved efficiency at berthing. We believe we've achieved another first for the industry, transferring control a mile from the dock and letting an autonomous control system take the vessel all the way in to the fully docked position. This is another step on the path towards the smart marine ecosystem. Once we've completed this work, we will have fully autonomous dock-to-dock capability. Wärtsilä is leading the industry towards an automated, safer, and cleaner future. With our smart marine ecosystem vision, our goal is to enable sustainable societies and maintain a profitable future for our customers by using smart technologies.